Benefits of having better sleep quality. Do you often find yourself wide awake late at night struggling to fall asleep? Are you one of the many people who use their phones in bed when you know you should be asleep? Many studies have found a link between bright screens and sleep disruption. And with all our technology and screen use, it's hard to get a good night's sleep. But luckily, there's always something that we can do about it, like using aromatherapy. Aromatherapy has been shown to improve a person's sleep quality. You'll be rewarded with a good night's sleep that is deep and rejuvenating using calming scents. Aside from healthy eating and exercise, good sleep hygiene is another important factor that affects a person's health and well-being. Sleep deprivation can have a negative impact on your immune system, which can be very concerning. So today, we'll be looking into the benefits of lavender oil aromatherapy. According to studies, the scent of lavender oil has a profound effect on the nervous system, particularly its calming effect. Results show that people who were exposed to the scent of lavender oil had lowered blood pressure and heart rates. It also lowered respiratory rate and led to slower, more relaxed breathing. Furthermore, aromatherapy, especially lavender aromatherapy, affects the body's stress response. As one inhales the lavender scent, the olfactory nerves, or the nerves in the nose that picks up scents, detects it and sends signals into the brain. As a result, the body experiences a sense of relaxation. This effect has also been shown to aid in the management of anxiety and depression, both of which are major factors that affect sleep quality. Before we continue, if you're liking this video so far, please give us a like and leave a comment below to tell us what you do to improve your sleep quality. Also, subscribe to our channel for more health-related videos and click the bell icon for notifications every time we upload a video. With that being said, lavender essential oil can be used in a variety of ways, one of which is by using a diffuser. Try putting a few drops into a diffuser before going to bed. Another quicker and easier method is to put 2 drops of lavender essential oil in a handkerchief or a clean piece of cloth or facial tissue. Then place the cloth or tissue under your pillowcase to diffuse the scent while you sleep. You won't have to worry about stains because the oil drops dry quickly. Another method is to apply a few drops to your skin and massage it. The fragrance will linger around you, which will keep you calm and relaxed. This sense of tranquility will help you sleep soundly, and you'll more likely wake up feeling refreshed and in a good mood. As I mentioned before, sleep is essential for overall health and well-being. So if you're interested in improving and maintaining your health, you may consider using natural remedies and herbal medicines since they bring lots of benefits to your overall wellness. What's great about herbal medicine is that it's a wonderful way to heal and nourish your body in a holistic approach. So if you're looking for organic and natural remedies, the Lost Book of Remedies has them all. In this book, you'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies. It also includes recipes for tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and a variety of other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. If you want to learn more about the Lost Book of Remedies, including the use of aromatic oils for relaxation, check out the link in the description box. That's it for today's video. Share this with your friends and family so that more people can benefit from better sleep. And if you've tried aromatherapy before, tell us about it in the comment section below. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to be notified whenever new videos are posted. Thank you for watching!